In this tutorial, we will cover filtering charts in Excel. Please open the file 09 Filter Charts. You may occasionally want to turn off parts of your chart to focus on specific data. Rather than having to recreate a brand new chart, you can filter out your information and only show what's allowed in the filter. So go ahead and select your chart. Currently you'll see it shows all of my different locations in there and all of my agents. If you want to filter it, you'll see on the right hand side there's a little chart filters icon. Go ahead and click on that. If you want to change things, let's say we only want to focus on Las Vegas right now. So uncheck select all and please check Las Vegas. And let's only look at Claire, Carrie, and Mario. So if you would uncheck select all and check Claire, Carrie, and Mario. Then at the bottom, click on the apply button and you'll see that that rearranges. So now I'm just looking at Paris for those three agents. If you want to remove the filter, you'll simply click back on the filter icon and then check select all for each of them and click apply, and that will turn on all of my columns again. You can click on the filter to turn that off, and that helps you understand how to filter your information in your charts in Excel.